Okay. Good night.
Turning off your computer.
Authorizing.
Welcome to Setup Spotlight. Today's spotlight is on Mekurukito. Mekurukito is 19 years old and is a visual communication design student. Let's break his setup down piece by piece. A link to every product you see is in the description. Starting off with his displays, he's rocking two LG 24-inch monitors with some real thin bezels. Moving on to his peripherals, he's using a 40% split ortho custom keyboard and the Helios XD3 mouse, which sits on the Fantech RGB mousepad. He also has himself an Intuos Pro CTL 490 pen tablet ready to go at all times. For audio, he's using the Arctis 7 headset, Mifa X1 earphones, and the Fifine K669B microphone. He also has a whole bunch of custom furniture like his tables, monitor stand, and LED wall, as well as a whole bunch of IKEA pieces spread throughout the setup. His chair is the Thunder X3 TC5 in Arctic White. His PC is sitting in the DLV 22 case from Dark Flash, and a full list of the specs will be down below in the description. Overall, this setup is next level and beyond unique. He takes things to another level with his creativity, and you can't deny that. He describes the theme as minimal, futuristic, and industrial. His home automation is top tier compared to most. I mean, he can literally change his wallpaper with his voice.
Change the wallpaper.
Changing the wallpaper, please wait.
We'll link his social media pages so you can go spread some Flamingo Squad love. Check out the description for a link to every product you see in this setup, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Also, what would you rate this setup out of 10? Thanks for watching this setup spotlight. I'll catch ya on the flippity flop.